Recovering deleted Instagram chats can be tricky since Instagram does not provide a straightforward on delete feature. So, however, there are ways you can attempt to recover deleted messages, and here is how you can do it. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once done, tap on your profile icon or profile picture option available in the bottom right corner of your screen to go to your profile. Now, once on your profile, tap on the three dashboard option available in the top right corner of your screen to go to the settings and privacy. Now, once on settings and privacy, tap on the account center option available on the top. Now, once inside account center, tap on the your information and permission option available there. Then tap on the download your information. Then again tap on the download, and now all you have to do is tap on the specific option available there since we are only downloading the deleted messages. Now from here the list of options will be available. Look for the messages and tap on it and tap on the next. Now tap on the download to device option available there. Then you can also choose the last date range from where you want to see your deleted messages from. Here I am tapping on the last month and saving it. You can choose any from this option according to your preferences. Now all you have to do is tap on the download option available in the bottom, and Instagram will email you a link to download your data. It may take up to 48 hours. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.